This horizontal drum spindle CNC drilling and tapping machine, which can process 400 mm in length, 300 mm in height, 120 mm in depth. The drum spindle are controlled by two sets of servo drivers, and the spindle switching speed is as fast as 0.5 seconds. It can perform drilling and tapping of a single specification, or drilling or tapping of two specifications with different hole diameters. The machine too adopts a T-slot flat workbench. Customers can make different features according to the product. It can process both single large-set products and multiple smaller products at the same time. The front buffer adopts a hinge opening design. When processing large products, the front buffer can be opened to extend the product outside the workbench, effectively taking into account the end surface processing of stretched products. The operating system we choose is a Machining Center CNC system in addition to supporting standard software programming post-processing. It can also import CNC joints to automatically generate programs, or use the systems or teaching programming, etc. All processing programs can be saved according to the product number. The system can save up to tens of thousands of programs, which can be quickly called when changing products. Before the machine leaves the factory, it tested for accuracy and compensated it by a USA API laser interferometer. After sample is processing, it runs for 48 hours during test. For more model introduction, follow my video account to learn more.